In my previous videos, I promised to continue to search for the truth about the Pi Network KYC. To provide basic information to the KYC. If you are a pioneer and is about to KYC, or have not received the invitation to KYC, this video is for you. I will be showing you basic knowledge about the KYC process and prepare you when the time comes for you to undergo the process. This video goes to show that the Pi Network KYC is real. I suggest that you pay attention and get the steps right. If you don't want to follow through, it's completely your choice. If you miss any step, go back and watch again. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more contents like this. If you are ready, let's get serious. Please pay attention and follow through step by step. I cannot stress enough how important it is to know the steps of having the KYC done properly. Remember that the Pi Network has indicated that if KYC is not done, pioneers stand a chance of losing their min Pi. So, listen up and watch carefully. There are two ways to expect the KYC. The first is the message to KYC will pop up on the Pi Network app home screen. You simply expected to accept the invitation to KYC and follow the steps that I am about to show you. Or, you open the Pi browser app and click on the KYC icon on the app. This will open the KYC app, and it will search for available slot within your location or country. If there is none, you will see a message like the one on your screen. But if there is availability, it will display this on your app. Follow the next steps to KYC. Here you are expected to validate your identity, to ensure the integrity of the Pi Network. First you need to select the country on your personal ID to start. This means that you have to select the same country as the government-issued ID that you intend to use as identification. To do this, simply click on the drop-down menu and select the desired country of choice. After that you select the type of ID you want to present. The different options are, driver's license, ID card, like a birth certificate, identity card, and passport. After selecting, you have to consent to allow the social chain to collect and process certain personal information, after which you indicate if you are 18 years and above, and also that you agree to pay 1 Pi for the cost of processing the KYC. And then you click on Let's Go. This will upload your selected choices and take you to the next step. The next step is where you will provide the selected means of identification, and make sure that it is clear and readable. Then you are expected to fill out the form, with the correct information that matches your means of identification. Next, you follow the instructions on your screen to confirm your identity. Remember that you will have to pay 1 Pi for the process of KYC. This will be deducted once your Pi is moved to your wallet at mainnet. When you are set to begin, hit Next. Then you will need to take a picture of your ID in landscape mode, making sure to fill all the spaces of the camera. Also, you will also take a picture of the back of the ID, if it has any information. You will also need to carefully go through the listed things you need to do and not to do. When you are set to begin, click on the I'm Ready button. Next, you will be prompted to allow the Pi browser to take pictures and videos. When you are ready, make sure your ID is horizontal and not vertical. Then, click on Add Front Photo. An option to select from file or camera will pop up. Select Camera to proceed. After you have taken the front shot of your ID and uploaded, select Add Back Photo. Repeat the same process to get a shot of the back of your ID card. Once you have gotten both sides of the ID card, proceed to click Next. The next step will prompt you to enter your personal details in the same language as your government-issued document. This simply means that, if you have your personal details written in Japanese, you will have to fill the form exactly in Japanese. This applies to all languages. These includes, your first name, your last name, which is your surname, gender, date of birth, and then, your address. Remember to type in the current address, city, state, zip code, and country of residence. Next, you provide the document ID number. Don't worry, this will be determined by the type of document you have initially selected to provide. When you are ready, you click on Next. You will then be prompted to perform a liveness check. This is to confirm and establish that you are a real person. Simply follow the instructions and make sure that your face is fully visible. Also, make sure that you perform this task in a well-lit area. When this process is complete, the data will be uploaded. During the upload, you are expected not to exit the app or leave the app. Wait till the upload is complete. Next, you will be required to go through the data you provided, and ensure that the information is correct and accurate. When you are certain that all the details provided are correct, click on Submit. Remember that submission is irreversible, so it is important to make sure that data provided is absolutely correct and accurate. After submitting the data, you will be prompted with this message. Congratulations, if you have gotten to this level, your application has been submitted for processing. You can always go back to the app to check for application status. Once your KYC has been validated and approved, you will be notified, and that's when the magic can happen. Your Pi can then be moved to mainnet. If this video brought you value, consider sharing the video. It might help someone else. If you have not subscribed, feel free to click the subscription button. This is Basic Knowledge and my name is Tony. Until my next video, keep mining.